Oh, I can smell it now.
Do you know
Is
what
it
you
broken? Bro, we got... Okay, this is lemonade.
Stop. Oh my god.
It's so good.
It's so tart. It's not just sweet, it's tart. Yeah.
Okay, next I have the Chick-fil-A sauce. I never tried this. Okay. It literally smells like a mix of honey mustard and barbecue.
Yeah, that's what it is, basically.
Oh. Okay, I have a waffle fry. Right on.
Yeah.
This is amazing. Everything people say about Chick-fil-A.
Did you get it with it?
Not yet. It's so fresh and hot and tender. This is what Chick-fil-A sauce. This is genuinely incredible. This is the tenders I got. Honestly, what is this? But I hope it... Okay. But I hope it tastes good. Here's my chicken. I can't live. But here's the chicken. It's pretty small, but apparently it's real.
Yeah.
This is proper. I can make fried chicken and taste just like this. This is legit. Like, it has the breading, it has the flavors. Now with Chick-fil-A sauce. Living and loving. Living and loving. Try. Are you living and loving?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
As a Canadian, try way better than KFC, better than Church's.
KFC's not even on my list anymore.
Honestly,
It's been off. It's trash. It's soggy.
I like KFC. I think this for me is like a honestly 8.5 out of 10. That's fair. This is good though. Like,